Making money with mobile apps sounds great, until you actually try to do it. You need to build the app, set up payments, handle subscriptions, deal with Apple's in-app purchase rules, and make sure everything is configured correctly. That's usually where most people get stuck. Not because they don't have good ideas, but because there's a huge gap between building an app and building an app that actually makes money. And historically, that gap has been pretty painful. If you're building for iOS, you can't just plug in Stripe and call it a day. Apple requires native in-app purchases for digital products and subscriptions. That means dealing with StoreKit, subscriptions, receipt validation, paywalls, pricing, and App Store configuration. It's a lot. And for most people, that's the point where the project stalls out. But that's exactly what this new Replit and RevenueCat integration is designed to solve. In this video, I'll show you how to go from a simple app idea to a working mobile app to a fully monetized product, all in one workflow. No complicated payment infrastructure, no manual API setup, and no need to write all of that subscription code yourself. This is one of the fastest ways I've seen to turn an app idea into something that can actually generate revenue. So let's build one. Every app starts with a prompt, and this is where Replit really shines. Instead of setting up a project manually, you just describe what you want to build. For example, build a meditation app with a timer, daily reminders, and guided breathing sessions. That's it. No boilerplate, no project scaffolding, no deciding which framework to use. Just describe the app, and Replit Agent takes it from there. Once you submit the prompt, Replit Agent starts building. It generates the UI, creates the app structure, sets up the backend, wires everything together. Within a few minutes, you've got a working mobile app. Not a mock-up, not a prototype, a real functional app you can run and test immediately. That's the first major unlock here. The barrier to building an app has dropped dramatically. You no longer need to spend days just getting to version 1. You can get there in minutes. And that changes how quickly you can validate ideas. Now, here's the part that usually gets complicated: monetization. Traditionally, adding subscriptions to a mobile app is a multi-step process. You need to integrate Apple's in-app purchase system, handle purchase states, manage subscriptions, validate receipts, build a paywall, and make sure renewals and entitlements work correctly. That's a lot of moving pieces. But with RevenueCat built directly into Replit, that entire workflow becomes dramatically simpler. All you do is tell Agent what you want, something like add a $5 per month premium subscription with a paywall, and then click Connect RevenueCat. That launches a simple OAuth flow. No API keys, no SDK setup, no manual configuration. Just sign in and authorize access. Once connected, Agent handles the rest. It creates the RevenueCat project, configures products and entitlements, builds the paywall screen, and wires subscription logic directly into your app. That's the part that's genuinely impressive. You're not just getting instructions. The system is actually implementing the monetization flow for you. Before you publish anything, you can test the entire subscription experience. Replit automatically uses RevenueCat's test environment during development. So when you tap subscribe, you'll see a simulated purchase flow. No real charges, no real transactions. Just a safe environment to test everything end to end. That means you can verify the paywall displays correctly, subscriptions unlock premium features, purchase flows work as expected, failed purchases are handled properly. This is huge because monetization bugs are expensive. It's much better to catch them before users ever see your app. Once the app is working and monetization is in place, the next step is publishing. And again, Replit streamlines this process. You can prepare your app for test flight and App Store submission directly from Replit. For subscription apps, there are a few Apple-specific requirements. You'll need an Apple developer account, Apple's paid apps agreement completed, banking information connected, Appstore Connect API keys. Once that's done, Replit can sync your RevenueCat subscription products directly to Appstore Connect. That removes another major source of friction. Once approved, your app goes live on the App Store. And from that point on, users can subscribe using Apple's native in-app purchase flow. RevenueCat handles the subscription infrastructure behind the scenes: receipt validation, subscription status, renewals, entitlements, analytics. So you can focus on the product instead of payment plumbing. That's the full loop: idea, app, paywall, revenue, all from a single workflow. But there's another reason this workflow is so powerful. Launching an app is only the beginning. What really matters is understanding how that app performs once real users start paying. And that's where RevenueCat becomes much more than just the payment layer. Once your app is live, RevenueCat gives you a complete view of your subscription business. You can track active subscribers, trial conversions, renewals, cancellations, and monthly recurring revenue, all from a single dashboard. Instead of piecing together data from Appstore Connect, analytics tools, and custom backend logs, everything is centralized in one place. That means you can quickly answer questions like, how many users started a trial today? What percentage converted to paid? Which subscription plan performs best? Where are users dropping off? This is especially important when you're iterating on pricing or testing different paywall designs. Because monetization isn't just about enabling purchases, it's about improving conversion over time. RevenueCat also handles the subscription lifecycle for you. That includes renewals, billing retries, grace periods, refunds, cancellations, and restored purchases. So if a user upgrades devices, reinstalls the app, or renews after a failed payment, everything stays in sync automatically. And from an engineering standpoint, that removes a huge amount of complexity. You're not building receipt validation servers, you're not maintaining entitlement logic, and you're not constantly updating your billing infrastructure whenever Apple changes something. RevenueCat handles all of that behind the scenes. That's a massive advantage, especially for solo developers and small teams. It lets you focus on what actually drives growth, building a better product, improving retention, and finding new acquisition channels. Because once monetization is handled, your attention shifts to the metrics that really matter: retention, conversion, lifetime value. This isn't just about making app development easier. It's about making app monetization accessible. For years, the hardest part wasn't building an app. It was turning that app into a business. That's what this solves. Replit handles the build. RevenueCat handles the monetization. And together, they close the gap between creation and revenue. If you can describe an app idea, you can now build it. And if you can build it, you can monetize it. That's a pretty big shift. What makes this especially interesting is how repeatable the process is. You're not limited to one app. Once you understand the workflow, you can apply it again and again. A fitness tracker, a recipe planner, a habit builder, a budgeting app, a language learning tool. Each one can be built, monetized, and launched using the same process. And because the upfront complexity is so much lower, you can test more ideas faster. That's incredibly valuable. If you've ever wanted to build a mobile app business, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. You can go from idea to working app to built-in subscriptions to App Store revenue, all without dealing with the traditional complexity. That's a huge unlock for indie developers, creators, and entrepreneurs. So if you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description. You'll get a referral bonus, $10 in Replit credits when you sign up and upgrade to Core. And you'll also unlock $10 for yourself after upgrading. Start with one idea, build it, launch it, and see if people will pay for it. Because today, the hardest part isn't building the app. It's choosing which one to build first.